Hey, I'm Oriolu, and today I'll be teaching you about the digestive system, how it works, and what it is. So, think about the last time you had a meal. You ate it, but did you really think about what happened after? So, this is what the digestive system is. It breaks down all your food into things your body needs to function. You know, the good stuff your parents tell you about. And then it gets rid of the stuff you don't need. So let's break it down into 5 parts. The mouth, the esophagus, the stomach, the small and large intestines, and the rectum. Here we show all the different parts. The mouth, the esophagus, the stomach, the large intestine, the small intestine, and the rectum and anus. But here we show the liver, the gallbladder, and pancreas, which the food don't actually pass through, but they help along the way. So first, the mouth. Yes, all the digesting actually starts up in your mouth. So your teeth chew up all the food, and your saliva actually starts breaking down the food right there. Little minions in your spit, called enzymes, start breaking down the food into smaller bits, although they break down some foods way better than others. If you would like to test it out, you could do this little experiment. You could put a saltine cracker in your mouth, leave it there without chewing for 20 seconds, and then write your observations down. Then put a piece of meat in your mouth and leave it there without chewing for 20 seconds too. See which ones get faster. Write what happened to each and you can compare them. Write a hypothesis if you want to explain why this happened. So 2, the esophagus. When you swallow your food, it goes down through the esophagus. But the food doesn't just drop down to your stomach with gravity. The esophagus actually has muscles moving the food along until it gets to the stomach. Alas, the stomach. So once it gets here, this is where it gets broken down the most. The stomach actually oozes out acids that digest the food into a slushy to get ready for its next part of the trip. A fun fact is the acid in your stomach could actually burn a hole right through you, but thanks to protective linings in your stomach, you don't have a hole in you. So, here's another fun thing you could do. You can get a pretty good idea of the icky, acidic-y stuff happening in your stomach if you create this mixture at home. You could get a parent or a teacher to help you at school. So, make this mixture and then you see what's happening. Okay, so here's a pause. Try to remember what the first 3 parts of the digestive system were that I just talked about, because that'll help you later for a memory game we'll play. So, 4, the small intestine and the large intestine. So, after the stomach, it goes into a small intestine, which is a really long tube where all the nutrients are able to now be absorbed through the walls. This is where the pancreas, liver, and gallbladder all release juices to help digest the food further. After this, it goes into the large intestine, where all the water is absorbed. Alas, the rectum. Everything here is left to waste. That's when you go to the bathroom, the stuff you poop out. All this stuff gets stored in the rectum until it's ready to be pooped out through the anus. So, that's all the parts. 30 feet long. That's how long your digestive system, all right inside of your stomach. Think about that. So here's the memory game I was talking about earlier. On a whiteboard, you can rearrange all the different parts of the digestive system till you get the right order. Great practice. So thanks. If you have any questions, you can email me at these 2 emails.